Okay, so here we are on a relatively grey day. It's not very sunny, so let's see what we can do. First of all, we have ourselves some tulips, which are down here. Now from this angle, it's not a particularly good angle, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to get at eye level with them. Okay, so now you can see that instead of looking from the above down, we're looking just slightly above them. And that means that you get a much more interesting background, because before you didn't really get to see the background because again we were looking from much higher down, but when you look at them more level you can now see that you can really play with the background and try all sorts of different things. So we have our F numbers here, and basically now in video I can show you the difference that we can make to the background with the actual F numbers. Okay, now depending on which lens you're using, you will have different options for your F numbers. This lens I'm using at the moment will go all the way down to f2.8. So this is how the background will look at 2.8. And let's just increase it slowly. So this is 3.2 and 3.5 and 4.0 and 4.5, and as you can notice, as with any camera, as I'm increasing my F number, but the shutter speed is remaining the same in video mode, so the light is changing. Now for some examples that can be fun, because it doesn't always have to be brightly lit. You can, let's just take it down a bit, so 5.0, 5.6, 6.3. I don't really think you would need to go much further than this, because then you really will start to lose an awful lot of the detail. As you can see, not only is it darker, but the background of the image is now in much sharper focus. And as the F number would increase, the background would also increase in focus. So, and also backwards, as we can see from 6.3. Try not to focus too much on it getting lighter, but instead try to see how different the background is as far as how it blurs out. So as you can see, it's getting lighter and the background is also becoming more and more out of focus. Okay, that looks pretty good, so let's just snap it off for now. Okay, so here I am back in my computer, and I haven't edited this image at all. This is exactly as it came off of the memory card. And here it is again, after some very basic editing.